Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Guys, I am so excited. I am releasing my Christmas 2025 Dewdrop release. These are limited edition, so once they're gone, they are gone. This release is glittered, so you may see some glitter residue in the bags when you take the dewdrops out. Let's go ahead and go through the colors. We have the Rudolph Red, which is amazing. We have the Grinch Green, and this is like that really nice rich green for Christmas tree color. This year, a Pastel Teal blue. And the Pastel Pink. That is going to be the 4 main colors of the release. It's 100 dewdrops. It's 25 dewdrops of each color. And the sample color will be Gingerbread. This is perfect for those little gingies as well as the gingerbread houses. This will be the sample, and I will show you what one of the packaging looks like. Here we have the Rudolph, the Grinch, the Pastel Blue, the Pastel Pink, and then in here is the sample of the gingerbread, and then I do always send some little ephemeras on the back. If you would like to exchange one of these colors for the gingerbread, just let me know and I can send whatever main colors you would like, and the other one would be a sample. I hope that makes sense. The price for the one set is $5. If you purchase from me directly, meaning you send me cash, which many people do, you can send me Zelle or PayPal. If you choose to purchase directly through Etsy, unfortunately, I will be charging a $1 shipping fee in addition to the $5. I really did not want to do that, but with the increase of the shipping cost, it cost me already $1.07 just to mail these, and I'm only charging $5. When you add in the Etsy fees, it's just too much. So if you do purchase from me directly, it's $5. If you choose to go through Etsy where I am charged additional fees, it will be $5 plus the $1 shipping. If you do purchase from me directly, you just have to direct message me, or if you're a regular that knows me, just let me know and I can set aside one of the packages for you. That is the Dewdrop release. I absolutely love these colors this year. I will insert a photo of the color scheme that I chose to go off of. The Sharon over From Cheap to Chic, she'll be listed down below. She is the one that sent me the new paper pad photo, and that was how I based my colors. We have lots of fun sets of these. Send me a direct message if you're interested. Last season, I did the gold, silver, and the snowball, and I do have a few left if you're interested in mixing these in with the current collection. And these are the only sets that I have left. I have 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 snowball, a half gold and half snowball, a half silver and half snowball, and a half gold and half silver. If you are interested in any of these, let me know which one and it will be added to your order if you plan on ordering one of the new releases. I'm so excited. I hope you guys love the colors as much as I do. I think mixing in the traditional colors along with the pastel Christmas colors. I went into the stores and there is a lot of pastel Christmas going on. This offers a variety of uses, not only for the holiday season, but throughout the year. So I hope you guys are excited as I am about this new release. Send me a direct message or leave me a comment down below if you are interested in purchasing, and these will be going up on my Etsy shop probably after I release it to make sure I still have enough available for sale to post on Etsy. The second announcement, which I'm equally as excited about, is I have decided to host a Christmas die cut swap. I got this idea from Mystical Misty, who hosts a Halloween die cut swap every year. Her channel will also be linked down below. It's very easy and it is a great way to kind of get your crafty mojo going and share your die cuts or receive die cuts that I may have that you don't have. All you have to do is send in an envelope with Christmas related die cuts. My mailing address is in the About Me page, or you could just send me a direct message and I will send you my mailing address. In return, I will send you an envelope with a sample of my dewdrops as well as Christmas die cuts. Let me show you what I've been working on so you can kind of get an idea of what I'll be sending out. Here are some of the die cuts that I have been working on. I plan on continuing to make different kinds, so you may not get these specific ones, but this is the general idea. I cut out some Christmas stockings. We have little Christmas trees. This spiral Christmas tree, I love this one. We have some Christmas words. I love these ones. They are such a nice size. I actually really love this dark red with the dark green color. I have some of these Let It Snows. I've tried to do a variety of colors and you will just receive a mix of them. We have some snowflakes. I made some banners. Some of these tags, and the Christmas tree kind of pops out a little bit. I also made them in the traditional as well as pastel. We have some small words. This one says snowflake. That one's so pretty. I did go ahead and make a couple of Christmas Memdex cards. Someone sent me a few of these pre-made ones for other seasons. I loved it because then when I was in a swap, I had a die Memdex already cut for me to join in. So we have a variety of those. I love how these turned out. Here we have some Christmas trees. I have a few of those. We have these tiny reindeer, which are so cute to add to like ticket embellishments and those smaller projects. And then we also have these Christmas trees. And like I said, this is just a sample of what I'll be sending out. Oh, and here is a sample of the dewdrops. I think there's 6 in the baggie. So everyone that sends me an envelope will receive a sample of my dewdrops along with these. And I will make the envelope as full as I can before it goes over the ounces. I will be sending a basic Christmas card so that I can lay the die cuts flat to fit in as many as I can. And that's it, guys. That is my announcement for my Christmas 2025, my limited edition dewdrop release for $5, my Christmas die cut swap. Oh, and also it is US only. Sorry, because of the postage. My mailing address is in my About Me page, or you could just DM me on Instagram. I would love it if you would share this video in your community post or on Instagram. It's not required. Help spread the word. I'd love to get a whole bunch of die cuts, and I will be videoing and linking everyone that does send me an envelope. Please tag me if you do receive one from me or your dewdrops. Tag me and you will be entered. I am still doing my Tag Me challenge, and guys, I have got to draw this last round of entries because I have so many and I'm still adding to this list. I'm going to draw 2 winners for this last round and then I will restart it. So I do still have 2 winners that will be pulled for the current Tag Me challenge. So if you tag me because you received my dewdrops or you reposted my video about this, then I will go ahead and enter you to win some of my dewdrops. Let's just go ahead and do this through the end of the year, December 31st, 2025. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I want to thank you guys so much for all of your support. I feel like I had a really amazing year changing up my challenges to the Tag Me. I really enjoyed seeing how everybody stores and organizes their dewdrops. I have received many comments about different colored releases, and I hope that you guys are enjoying all of the new styles that I've been putting out. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.